Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love crafting and adding a touch of timeless elegance to your projects, then you are in for a treat today. I'm so excited to share something truly special with you. A collection of vintage European cityscape vector houses. Imagine strolling through the charming cobblestone streets of an old European town. Picture the quaint, historic buildings with their unique architectural details. That's exactly the feeling this digital design set captures. We've curated a beautiful collection of 12 distinct old townhouse designs, each one brimming with character and vintage flair. These aren't just simple outlines. They are intricately designed vectors that bring the charm of historic Europe right to your craft room. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your creative journey, these files are designed to be incredibly versatile and easy to use. So, what can you do with them? The possibilities are practically endless. Let's dive into some ideas. For all you laser cutting enthusiasts, these designs are a dream come true. Imagine creating a miniature 3D village scene. You can cut each house from wood, acrylic, or even thick cardstock, and then assemble them to create a stunning display for your mantelpiece, bookshelf, or as a unique centerpiece for a special event. The level of detail in these vectors translates beautifully when laser cut, capturing all the fine lines of the windows, doors, and rooftops. You could even add tiny LED lights inside to make your village glow at night. How magical would that be? Now, for my fellow Cricut and Silhouette users, get ready to elevate your paper crafting game. These designs are perfect for creating layered paper art. By cutting each layer from different colored cardstock, you can build up these houses to create incredible depth and dimension. Think about framing a set of 3 different houses to create a beautiful piece of wall art for your home. It's a fantastic way to add a personalized, handmade touch to your decor. You could also use them for scrapbooking, helping you to beautifully frame memories from a European vacation or just to add a touch of worldly charm to any layout. But it doesn't stop there. These vector files are also ideal for a whole host of other crafts. Are you planning a wedding or a special party? Use these designs to create unforgettable invitations, place cards, or even cake toppers with a sophisticated old-world theme. They are also perfect for making unique greeting cards. A handmade card featuring one of these beautiful vintage houses is so much more personal than anything you could buy in a store. The set is compatible with all major cutting machines, including Glowforge, Cricut, and Silhouette. And you'll receive the files in various formats like SVG, DXF, and PNG to ensure they work seamlessly with your software. We've made sure they are clean and optimized for cutting, so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. This collection truly is a gateway to bringing your creative visions to life. It's about more than just cutting out shapes. It's about building worlds, telling stories, and creating beautiful objects that you and your loved ones will cherish. Whether you're making home decor, personalized gifts, or adding a special touch to your event, these vintage house designs provide the perfect foundation. I honestly can't wait to see what you all create with this set. The thought of all the beautiful, tiny European villages popping up in homes around the world is just so exciting. If you're ready to start your next project and bring a bit of old-world charm into your life, you can find the link to the vintage European cityscape vector houses in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and for letting me share my passion with you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it inspiring and subscribe to the channel for more creative ideas and product showcases. Happy crafting everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.